Hey everyone, this is Joe again from Gamers Portal. Thanks for checking us out and stopping in. We're opening the MTG Secret Lair 30th Anniversary Advent Calendar. We're on day 9, so we're opening up Y2 or opening up 2001. Y2K was yesterday, so let's get to cracking and see what we pull. Today is December 3rd, so 2001 pack. Oh, there's ones I pulled from the other day. 2001. Then we got Wild Mongol. Discard a card. Wild Mongrel gets +1/+1 and becomes the color of your choice until end of turn. This is another foil. So this is my fourth foil. The Wild Mongol is my fourth foil and my 2001 card. So tomorrow will be 2002. Thanks for watching. See you next time.